everybody. Thanks for clicking on this video. This is Kim. As you can tell by the title, it's going to be an Excel video today. These are some tips for beginners, people that are just starting to use Excel. These are very useful things that people ask me all the time how to do. So that's why these were chosen. If you are a new Excel user, I'm sure that these are things you've probably wondered how to do. So let's get started. So this is a spreadsheet that I found online. It's just some sample data. I don't know if it's real people or not, whatever. Anyhow, it will work great for our purposes. So what I'm going to show you how to do is find duplicate data within the table. You don't know how many times people ask me if this is possible. Yes, it's possible, and it's actually very easy. So this is a hockey roster. There's women, men, whatever. It has all their information on here. So rather than scrolling and trying to figure out, if any of them are duplicated, if there's been duplicate entries or whatever, yeah, you could sort, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next section. But you could sort. There's a whole sorts of ways you could find these duplicates, but the very easiest way is to basically, you have to think about it, what kind of data, what would make this duplicate data if the first and last name of the person was the same, right? People could have the same birthdays, people could have the same hometowns, positions, etc. But chances of them having the same exact first name and last name are more rare. So let's just sort on that. Let's create our duplicate finding rule based on first and last name. So what you do is just go ahead and highlight this. I'm just holding down the left mouse key and dragging to the bottom. Okay, so then we've got them all highlighted, just the first name and the last name. The first box is always lightened versus the rest for some reason. It's just an Excel thing. This is definitely highlighted. Anyways, we go here. So like every Microsoft product, it has the ribbon up here at the top. And these are different tabs. Here's the whole tab, home, insert, page layout, etc. You want to be on your home tab. So with these highlighted, go right here to conditional formatting. In this top one, highlight the cell rules, and then you want to drive down here to duplicate values. So here it's telling me if I have something unique or duplicate. I want to find the duplicates. And you get some choices. You could pick with whatever you want. You can do a custom format, whatever. Let's just say I'm going to have red text. Okay, and then press OK. So now I know everything with red text is a duplicate. So if the first and last name is not red, then we know that's not a duplicate. But look at this. I don't really know how there might be another one of these, right? There might be another one of these. They're not grouped together. So I'm going to show you how to sort. This is really simple, but people get confused on this all the time. So basically you want to highlight your entire table. Okay, go right there, including the header row, which is right here. Go right here to sort and filter and do custom sort. You can just sort A to Z, but I want to show you this. So custom sort. You want to make sure you click my cell, my data has headers, because if you don't, these are going to be mixed in with the alphabetation. So you just don't want to do that. So then you go sort by. So let's sort by last name. And then let's just do alphabetical order. And then you just click OK. So now it sorts my entire table in alphabetical order. Now it's much easier to see if we have any duplicates. So this one's obviously a duplicate. Everything is exactly the same. So you can go you can highlight like this to highlight it, because we're going to delete it. Or you can just click the little number right here on the left side of the table, and that'll highlight the whole row, which makes it easier. Right mouse click, delete. Okay, so that one's gone. Now let's go down here. Here's some duplicate last names, but they're not the same person. Oh, here's one. So we just click right over here. It doesn't matter which of the two you delete. Right mouse click, delete. Got some more duplicate first names. There's another one that's exactly the same, so we're going to get rid of that one. Highlight it, delete. Okay, so let's see, any more? Oh, this is the same one. Highlight, right mouse click, delete. So here's two the same last name, but they're different people. Oh look, there's 3 of this person. Okay, so let's just do one at a time. Right mouse click, delete. Right mouse click, delete. Here's another one right here. Right mouse click, delete. Okay, click on the number, right mouse click, delete. Oh, and one more. Right mouse click, delete. Okay, so now we've gotten rid of all the duplicates, but we still have our red text, right? We don't want that anymore. So here's another thing you can do to highlight. You can just go like this. That'll highlight entire table, so you don't have to go through and drag. Go back up to conditional formatting, and we're going to clear the rule. So we're going to clear the rule. My dogs are going to bark. From selected cells, or from entire sheet, doesn't really matter. Shh. Oh, I think there might be a coyote out there. Hold on a second. I'll be back. What are we barking at? Okay, this is another thing I wanted to show you because it's something I get asked a lot, is how to make it so the text wraps down within the cell and it's not just this one really long string of text. So, you don't want to have to keep scrolling over to read it. So it's very simple to do. First, create a cell. So this is in B, this is in this cell right here, and this data is in this cell right here. If you click right here, it looks like there's text in there, but it's not really in there. It's in the first one where the sentence starts. Okay, so it's these cells that I want to make a little bit bigger. So you just highlight them, and then right over here on the right side, you'll see it turn into like a little cross. That means you can drag it and make it bigger. And all it does is move these other cells over. It doesn't delete them or anything, it just moves them. So now we have a little bit wider of a cell, but we want the text to wrap down and look more like a paragraph instead of one really long line. So basically just highlight them and go right up here to wrap text, and that's it. And now each one is in its own cell and it's wrapped it. Now let's say, oh, well, I really want this a little bit longer. You can change it. It'll adjust the text to fit. So anyways, that's it. That's text wrap. So really that was all I wanted to show you. I just, I get asked a lot of questions over and over and over, and that's how I determine what kind of videos I'm going to make. It's just based on the things that people ask me. So, there you go. So that was my Excel little short tips for today. Hopefully that helped you. If you have something that you would love to learn how to do, put that down in the comments, and I'll do a video in the future about it. And if you don't want to comment below, if you go to my, I don't even know what it's called, the main page of my channel, there's a spot there where you'll see my email address, so you can email me and let me know there also. I don't have enough subscribers yet to have a community page, hopefully soon, but so I don't have that up yet, but yeah, once I get enough subscribers, I'll be doing that. But anyways, this is the plan right now. So just either comment below with your questions or send me an email, and I'll try to answer your questions or create a video showing how to do whatever it is you want to learn how to do. I'm not a professional on Excel. I do know a lot of things about Excel. I use it a lot. But if I don't know how to do something, I'll certainly find out. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. I appreciate that. See you next time.